So I did not know the video got cut off. So it cut off on file on memory management. So we're just going to go through that quickly again, right? So here, when you go to memory management, you're already taking a screenshot of your questions, right? We leave it as fixed system, and you have three policies here, which is first fit, best fit, and worst fit. These are the three policies that we have to get data on, right? So you leave these as it is, click close, and you'll notice over here, this is where you have to partition your memory, right? So you partition, right click, you click on partition, your start address will be at 4, right? Your size unit of 10, right click partition, you're going to go at 14, size unit of 5, you're going to right click again, partition, you go to 19, partition at 4, partition in 23, 15, so you go to 38. So you have to make sure you right click on a blank side, right? So you go from 38, and that will be 10. So you end up at 48. Right click partition, you go to 48, size of 14, carries you to 62. Now you have to make sure you partition the remaining two here, right? So you right click partition, you go 62, 1, and then 63, 1. Right? So once you are done there, you go to add in your processes. So you have P1, which will have a size unit of 5. Right? You leave the duration as is, click done. You add P2, which has a size unit of 10, and you add P3, which has a size unit of 3. Click done, and you're going to get the data here. So once that is done, you click on run. So remember, it's on first fit right now. So this is how it will be. You take a screenshot of your data, right? And this tells you what is happening here, right? So you're going to see internal fragmentation, and the one with the red is external fragmentation. So you will know how to gauge it from there, right? So this is how the data looks like. When you click on the stats, you take a screenshot of it, right? And you paste it into your document, and you do your analysis. And you basically repeat this. So you stop here. You're going to go to settings again. You're going to choose best fit. Click close, run the simulator. You already have your process lined up. And this is how the simulator will be. You take your screenshot again, right? So once you do your screenshot of your analysis here of the report, and then you stop, you go to process, not processes, you go to settings, and you choose for worst fit, run the simulator again. You're going to see some changes coming there. You take your screenshot and paste it into your document, right? Again, take a screenshot of your report also, right? And that's how you do it for the memory management. So we're going to stop that there. Next is your file system management. So to get to the exercises again, you click on help, you go to exercises. This one will be file system management, and you're going to see file system exercises here. So you choose either one, right? You'll get the exercise, what it is you have to do over here, right? And you go about doing this. You go to file system management, right? So you leave block size as is, memory size as is, and you select. So it depends on which exercise you're doing. If you're doing the Onyx, you choose this one. If you're doing the file allocation table, you choose this one here. Right? Click close, and now we have to add in our files. So let me just get the data for that. So we have to add in a folder into into the C drive here. So you have folder 1, right? And we also have folder 2. Right, now in folder 1, we have 2 text files. So that's where you want to add. So you right click on the folder 1, click on add file. You're going to see file 1.txt and a size unit of 101. Click done. And again, let's repeat the process for file 2, 2.txt, and this has a file unit of 200, and you click done. Right, once that is complete, you go into file folder 2. So in folder 2 has a file which is file 3, and that carries 35 units. Click done. And inside folder 2, there's also folder 3 that you have to add. So this will be folder 3. And in that folder 3, you're going to add in another file, 4. Click that, and the unit of 120. Then you click done. And in folder 2 has a soft link, right? So you're going to add link 1, ensure soft link is checked. You double click on folder 1 to select the file 1 text. Click done, right? And that is how your file should be, right? So all you have to do now is just click on the statistics. So you'll see your FAT table, and you just expand. Oh, let me do that again, right? So yeah, so just expand out a bit. Take your screenshots of your data, right? So you'll see how many um, blocks we used, right, and how many were left unused, right? Again, you click here. If you want to get a little more detail, you click on the question mark, and it gives you like a little tutorial you could go through as well on your own to see what some of the information on it. Right, so that is it for file system management. So we're going to move on now to disk management. Right, so again, you go to help, you go to the exercise, and there's disk scheduling exercises, algorithm comparison. Right, this is the exercise here. So you have 7 algorithms to go through. This is the data that they provide you with there as well. Right, so let's scroll down to the data there. So you go to disk management. Right, so your initial help position will be at 0, and these are the algorithms here. So first one is first in, first out. Right, so you're going to see it here. Take your screenshots of the before and after. Add your processes. Right, so you're going to see sector 100. Right, delay 0. Click done. Add the sector 3. Delay is 0. Click done. Next one is 150. Right, delay is 0. Click done. So you're going to see the data filling in here. Right, next one is 23. Right, click done. Our next one is 120. Click done. You have 30 and a delay of 1. Click done. Then you have 140, a delay of 1 as well. Click done. Then you have a delay of 102, a sector, sorry, 102, and a delay of 3. Click done. Once you have all of this here entered, you just click on the run button. So notice there's no statistics here, right? All your information will be on this side here where it has cylinders, head seek, and the block server information. That's where you want to get your information from. So you're going to see when it picks up on each sector, you're going to see the data amend a bit. So when it picks up 100, then you're going to see a graph added. Right. So it already